Hey there guys, it is Cosmo Chloe here and welcome to my video. Oh, I'm so excited. I made my order with Morphe for the Jeffree Star collection yesterday when it got released, and it's just arrived at my house. Granted, it's 7:30 in the evening, that's why it's quite dark in my room at the moment. But I literally have been standing now at my door all day like this, except it's getting delivered today. I didn't even pay for next day delivery. How amazing is that? So the parcel is here. I haven't even opened it yet. Look, it's still in its box, but it's so light and I'm just, like this video if you enjoyed it, and also remember to hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Let's crack on with it. I also purchased the Morphe concealer because I wanted to try that out today with the Jeffree Star sponge, though the little diddy one. Oh, look how diddy that is. I don't know why I thought it'd be bigger. No idea why I thought that. And then I also ordered a brand new normal sponge so we could compare the two together. And here is the concealer. Oh my god. And I also got a free sample of the foundation, but I didn't order that. I should have done for this video, but I just didn't. I purchased a new highlight and contour beauty sponge to compare because I just wanted to see. It's probably no different at all, but I just wanted to be so extra. This is £8 and a beauty blender is usually £17, I believe, and this is so good because it's really good for cutting out that contour, as it says, and it's just so dense. Like, it's so much more dense than a beauty blender, but this changed the game. This trio here is £16. So you pay £8 for this one and £8 for two mini ones, and I just think that's such good value for money. And everyone loves this sponge, so for Jeffree to bring it out in that bright pink, oh my god. And also the little ones, like how amazing are they gonna be for under the eye? And you have two of them, not one, two, because why the hell not? I did consider getting the brushes because I did they were in stock when I went to order them, but I just wasn't blown away by them, in all honesty. A lot of them I thought looked quite tacky, and I feel bad saying that. They look perfect to represent Jeffree Star, not saying he's tacky, like they do represent him. But for my collection, they were just a little bit too tacky for me. And some of them that I did want, I already had such similar ones too. But I do believe that they are probably amazing in quality and such a success for Morphe, because all Morphe brushes are insane. Okay, we're going to go in with my foundation, and we're going to go in with my Born This Way foundation, my trusty Born This Way. And we're literally going to take the one and only, and we're just going to go wild. That sponge was amazing, just how I knew it would be. It is literally perfect and just like the original, apart from that it is pink and Jeffree Starified, and I love it. Now we're going to try out the Morphe concealer, which I got in the shade 125, which I'm hoping is going to be good for me. So this is their new concealers that match their foundations. I didn't get the foundation because I just wasn't really feeling it. I wasn't too interested. But the concealer, I was like, And I think this might be a little bit too light for me, but it's because I planned it for my normal skin colour, forgetting that I fake tan all the time. Just by applying that, I can tell that it is not liquidy. Like if you saw my review of the L'Oreal concealer, that was really liquidy. This is not liquidy, but I feel like it's going to have a good thick consistency and good coverage as well. I'm going to use this on my chin. It's just so diddy and cute. I love it. Oh, and this is actually perfect for the nose. Oh, wow. Look at that straight line. Wow. We're going to continue under the eye. Oh my god, it literally fits like perfectly in that corner, like so perfectly. Oh my god. If we use this flat side, oh my god, it's even better. Oh wow, OMG, I bloody love it. Now that is genius. I am absolutely speechless. These micro ones are insane. I know that drugstore ones, brands like Real Technique do them, and also you have Beauty Blender have their micro ones as well. But Morphe invented this wonderful sponge, and then Jeffree Star has brought out in pink. So yes, he hasn't invented that. He's kind of put his own name on it and made it pink. And I don't know if he decided to bring out little ones or if Morphe decided it, but it's got his name on, and they were the best decision ever made. Like literally the best. They are perfect for getting in that corner and directly underneath your eye. The nose as well, oh my god, the nose is honestly perfect. I really like these. Also, just for the concealer, I really like this concealer as well. Personally, although I'm raving about these sponges because they are amazing, but personally with concealer, I do prefer a brush because I prefer more full coverage. So I do think the coverage would be more with a brush. However, I just like the fact that I could get up in there. I don't need to finish the rest of my makeup because I was just here for the sponges and the concealer, but all I'm going to say is well done Morphe, well done Jeffree Star, you've done a fab job. You have. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy using the Jeffree Star brushes as well, or the sponges. As I said earlier, I was interested in the brushes and I did think that they would be good. It just didn't really match what I was going for, but the bright pink sponges did. See you in my next one, guys. Bye!